Did you know there are people making up to $1,500 a month crafting a wooden piece so simple that even a complete beginner can make it? And the best part, this item is flying off the shelves on Etsy and Amazon Handmade right now. Stick around until the end because I'm going to show you exactly what this piece is and how you can start today. Look, I know what you're thinking, but I don't have any woodworking experience. Or, I don't have all those expensive tools. Relax, because this specific project needs only 3 basic tools that you probably already have in your garage or can buy for under $100. So what is this mysterious project that's selling like hotcakes? Wooden plant stands. That's right, those tiered stands for plants. And before you think, oh, that's too simple, let me show you the real numbers. On Etsy, these stands are selling for anywhere between $75 to $250, depending on size and finish. And there are sellers moving over 300 units per month. Do the math with me. If you sell just 15 units a month at $120 each, that's $1,800 in revenue working in your spare time. But wait, there's more. What makes this project so profitable isn't just the selling price. It's the ridiculously low production cost. You spend an average of $15 to $25 on wood per piece. Even if you spend another $15 on stain and finish, your profit margin is absolutely massive. Now you're probably wondering, why plant stands? Why now? 3 simple reasons. First, the houseplant market exploded after the pandemic and hasn't stopped growing. People turn this into a serious hobby and are constantly looking for ways to display their plants beautifully and keep them organized. Second reason, small living spaces. With the boom in apartment living and tiny homes, people need to optimize vertical space. A tiered plant stand solves this problem in a beautiful and functional way. And the third reason, this is the most important one, extremely low quality competition. Most sellers are doing sloppy finishes, using cheap grade lumber. If you do even a halfway decent job, you'll stand out from 90% of the competition. Let me give you a golden tip that nobody talks about: customization. Offer the stand in different stain colors, or with a person's name engraved, or in custom sizes. This allows you to charge way more and even build customer loyalty. Look, there's a guy in my area who started doing this in his garage 6 months ago. Today, he has a small woodshop and works only on this. And you know what his secret was? He started making only this project until he completely mastered it and created an efficient production system. Now, the 3 essential tools I mentioned: a circular saw or jigsaw, a drill, and an orbital sander. That's it. With these you can make incredible pieces. Sure, better tools help, but to start and validate the business, this is more than enough. And about the wood, pine is your best friend in the beginning. It's cheap, easy to work with, and with a good finish it looks amazing. When you're selling well, then you move up to hardwoods and charge premium prices. One thing I see a lot of people getting wrong: they make beautiful pieces but don't know how to sell them. Listen, on Etsy and Instagram, the photo is everything. Take photos with plants on the stands, in well-decorated settings, with natural light. This multiplies your sales. Another hack: make short videos showing the before and after of a corner of the house. This goes viral easily on TikTok and Instagram Reels, and you get organic customers without spending a single penny on ads. Now, if you're excited but thinking, okay, but I don't even know where to start, what measurements to use, how to make the joints, I have a solution for you. In the description of this video, I've left a link to a complete collection with over 16,000 detailed woodworking plans, step by step, with exact measurements, materials list, and visual instructions. It has everything from simple projects like this plant stand to more elaborate projects for when you want to expand. The cool thing is you can start today, choose the project that makes the most sense for you, and literally follow the step-by-step like it's a recipe. It's all there in the description. Look, I know it sounds too good to be true, but I guarantee you, this market is hot right now. 6 months or a year from now, it might be saturated. Those who get in now and do quality work are going to ride this wave and can even turn this into their main income. So let's recap. Wooden plant stands, low initial investment, high profit margin, hot market, low quality competition. If you're looking for a side hustle or even a career change, this is a real opportunity. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon because I always bring real business opportunities and profitable projects. And don't forget to check out that link in the description with the complete plans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.